Hello class 6 students. Today I will talk about large numbers in practice, which will cover your 1.2 exercise in Maths NCERT book. So let's get started. To measure length we use something called a meter. Then you have different units. So you have millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectameter and kilometer. And as you move away from this is the unit which is getting bigger. So basically 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. So again a difference of 10 like in the previous one where we have a number system. So you're multiplying by 10 as you move forward. So 1 kilometer would actually be 1, 2, 3, that is 1000 meters. 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. 1 meters is how many millimeters? So again I'm jumping 1, 2, 3. So 10 into 10 into 10, which is again 1000 millimeters. So this is how you convert. So let's look at this. So they are saying 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, 1 meter is 100 centimeters and 1 meter is 1000 millimeters. So we've already seen that. Similarly, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Now how many millimeters make a kilometer? So I am being asked 1 kilometer is equal to how many millimeters? So you can see I have to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros here because I'll be multiplying by 10 in every go. So this is my answer. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 1 kilometer is so many millimeters. So you can do conversions in this manner. Now to be able to measure volume, there's something called liter. So I would again have something like liter, then deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, then decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. By convention, what is generally used is millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. This is generally used. These three are not used. So for volume, I will have milliliter, liter and kiloliter. Now for weights, I have again a similar thing: milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectagram and kilogram. What is generally used is milligram, gram and kilogram. Now the conversion is, so 1 kg is how many grams? So 1 into 2. So my 1 kg would be equal to 1000 grams. Similarly, 1 gram will be equal to 1000 milligrams. And this would also follow for the volumes. So here you can see all these conversions and you should be able to do them. Now let's do these questions. So a bus starts its journey and reaches different places with a speed of 60 km per hour. So this is the question that I have. Now the bus is traveling 60 kilometers in 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And in 60 minutes I am traveling 1 kilometer, 60 kilometers. So in 1 minute, how much will I travel? So like before, I'll just divide both the sides with 60. So in 1 minute, I'll be traveling 1 kilometer. So this is clear. Now let's look at the question. So it wants to find out the total distance covered from A to G. So this is the path which is shown here. So you can just add up. So A to B is 4170. Then you can add 4170 plus 3410 plus 2160 is the distance traveled between A and D. So all these questions you can do. You just need to add the numbers. Now find the time taken by the bus to reach from A to B. So you know that A to B is 4170 kilometers. So 4170 kilometers will be covered in 4170 minutes because 1 kilometer is covered in 1 minute. So you can just find out this value in hours like this. So you remember the divisibility test. So is this divisible by 3? So I will add 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So yes, it is divisible by 3. So I'll say. So in this manner, you will be able to solve this time taken for C to D. What you will do? So C to D is taking 2160 kilometers. So it will take 2160 minutes. You will divide it by 60 to find out the number of hours taken. Now let's look at this problem. So there are things and there are prices given. Then the sale was given for everything that this guy is selling, this Raman is selling. So you just need to find out the weight of the apples sold. So it is here, then oranges is here. You have to add them to get the total weight. Then total money. So what do you do? From apples, 2457 into 40 is the money that he will get from selling apples. Then 3004 into 30 is the money that he will get from selling oranges. So you can just keep doing this. In case you have any problems, just let me know and I will help you out. Now let's look at other problems here. So you have an example. Population of a city is given in 1 year. Then after this year, it was increased by this much. Increased by this much मतलब इससे इस amount से बढ़ गया है. So to find out the population, you will add these two numbers and find out the answer. So in one state, the number of bicycles sold in this year was itna. Then next year में इतनी. In which year were more bicycles sold? तो कौन सा बड़ा है number? This number is bigger. So obviously 2003-4 में ज़्यादा bicycles बिकी. And by how much more? So you will subtract this number from this. तो क्या हो गया? पहले इतनी सेल थी, अब इतनी हो गई और किससे बढ़ गया नंबर? इतने से बढ़ गया. So you will just subtract and find out the answer. So let's move on to the problems here. Exercise 1.2. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day were this much, this much. Total number of tickets sold. So you will add these numbers and get the answer. Shekhar is a famous cricketer. He has so far scored itne runs. He wishes to complete itne runs. अब इतने वो बना चुका है. So how many more runs does he need to score? So 10,000 minus 6980 is the answer. In an election, the successful candidate registered so many votes and his nearest rival secured itne votes. By what margin? इसका मतलब कितने से वोट से वो जीता है. So this minus this is the margin of the votes by which the other person won. Kirti bookstore sold this much in the first week and books worth itna in the second week. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? So total sale is this number plus this number. In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So in the second week, obviously this number is bigger. So this week we sold more books and by how much? So this number minus this much will be the answer. Find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number, which can be written using this only once. So repetition not allowed है, greatest and least. Greatest क्या होगा? 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Descending order. Smallest क्या होगा? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. और दोनों को subtract करके we'll find out the difference. Machine on an average manufactures इतने screws per day. How many screws are produced in the month of January? So January में कितने दिन होते हैं? 31 days. एक दिन में इतने हो रहे हैं, तो इसको या तो हम 31 बार ऐड करें या फिर रिपीटेड एडिशन इज एक्चुअली मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो 2825 into 31 करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा. A merchant had this much rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at itna each. How much money will remain with her? तो उसे कितना स्पेंड कर दिया? 40 into 1200 उसे स्पेंड कर दिया. इसका मतलब 48000 she has spent. कितना बचेगा? This number minus 48,000 will be left with her. A student multiplied this by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. अब ये वाला थोड़ा सा करके देखते हैं क्योंकि इसमें एक हिंट दिया है which you need to understand. So 7236 into 65 उसने करा, जबकि करना था 7236 into 56. अब इससे ये डिफरेंस होगा आंसर में. हमें मिल रहा है ये, जबकि हमें कैलकुलेट करना था ये. डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए नाउ यू कैन सी एक होती है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रॉपर्टी. तो क्या है कि अभी आप इफ यू सी केयरफुली 7236 कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम इधर. अगर हम कॉमन ले रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे 65 बचेगा, ये माइनस साइन बचेगा और ये आ जाएगा 56. अगर हम उल्टा करते हैं, ब्रैकेट खोलते हैं, so suppose I have something like this, then I know I will open it like this कि इसको इससे multiply करेंगे, इधर माइनस बीच में लिखेंगे and then इस नंबर को इससे multiply करेंगे 56 से. So I have done the opposite. So I don't really need to multiply both the numbers. So 7, 2, 3, 6 into अभी हमारे ब्रैकेट में क्या रह गया अब 9. अगर हम ये कैलकुलेट कर ले तो I will get the answer. Let's try and verify it also. So मैंने बोला 7, 2, 3, 6 into 9. ये नंबर आया 65124. अब अपने लंबे वाला भी मेथड करके देख लेते हैं. 7, 2, 3, 6 into 65 ये नंबर आया. दूसरा है 7, 2, 3, 6 into 56. So you will see this is the answer that we are getting. So पूरा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने की जगह हम लोग एक प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर लेते हैं जिसमें कि हम लोग ने ये कॉमन ले लिया एंड एक सिंपल सा मल्टीप्लिकेशन अब हमें करना पड़ा. So this is how you will solve this problem. To stitch a shirt 2 meters 15 centimeters cloth is needed. Out of 40 meters cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Actually, I need to divide 40 by 2 meter 15 centimeter 40 meter. अब ये डिवीजन पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि यूनिट सेम नहीं है. यूनिट्स हमेशा सेम होने चाहिए तब डिवीजन हो सकता है. तो क्या करेंगे 40 मीटर को हम सेंटीमीटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 1 मीटर इज 100 सेंटीमीटर्स और ये हो जाएगा 2 into 100 plus 15. So this is 4823 divided by 215. इसको जो हम डिवाइड कर लेंगे तो हमारे पास जो आंसर आएगा उतने नंबर ऑफ शर्ट्स होंगी और जो रिमाइंडर होगा उतना हमारे पास क्लॉथ बच जाएगा, उतने सेंटीमीटर्स. मेडिसिन इज पैक्ड इन बॉक्स ईच वेइंग इतना. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? So again I will convert this into grams because डिवीजन के लिए सेम यूनिट होना बहुत जरूरी है. ऊपर नीचे डिवीजन करना है 800 kgs को इससे, तो इसलिए 800 को हमने कन्वर्ट करा ग्राम्स में 800 into 1000 और नीचे भी हम इसको ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे तो 4500 ग्राम्स. The distance between the school and the student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. So, एक दिन में कितना चलती है 1 किलोमीटर. So, अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे, इसको भी हम मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. So, this will become 1000 plus 875 which is 1875 meters. फिर उसको हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एक दिन का आएगा. फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसको into 6 करेंगे तो टोटल आ जाएगा for 6 days. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity? तो एक ग्लास में 25 ml आ रहा है तो इतना सारा कितने ग्लासेस में आएगा. तो फिर से हम सेम क्वांटिटी में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. इन सबको हम मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. हम लोग जनरली छोटे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. सो 4 लीटर्स विल बी 4000 मिलीलीटर एंड इसमें 500 ऐड कर दिया तो 4500 ml डिवाइडेड बाय 25 ml इतने नंबर ऑफ ग्लासेस. सो इस तरह से ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी खत्म हो जाएगी. नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट एस्टिमेशन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.